One, two, three, start. New Delhi, Chandigarh. The Aam Aadmi Party was jolted on Friday after Rajya Sabha member Raghav Chaddha announced that 7 out of 10 parliamentarians from the upper house were quitting the party and joining the Bharatiya Janata Party, marking a political crisis less than a year before assembly elections in Punjab. In a press conference in Delhi, Chadda, who was recently removed as the party's deputy leader in the Rajya Sabha, was joined by his replacement in the upper house, Ashoka Mittal and Sandeep Pathak, once one of the closest associates of party chief Arvind Kejriwal. We have decided that we, the two-third members belonging to the AAP in Rajya Sabha, exercise the provisions of the Constitution of India and merge ourselves with the BJP. Chaddha said there are 10 AAP MPs in the Rajya Sabha. More than two-thirds of them are with us in this. They have signed, and this morning we submit the signal letter and documents to submitted the Rajya Sabha chairman. 3 of them are here before you. Besides us, there are Harbhajan Singh, Rajinder Gupta, Vikramjit Singh Sahani and Swati Maliwal, he added. Maliwal, who fell out with Kejriwal and fought a facetious legal battle with his aide Vibhav Kumar 2 years ago, confirmed she left the AAP. Sahani confirmed that he had BJP support. Neither Singh nor Gupta responded to multiple calls and messages. 6 of 7 members belong to Punjab. Only Sanjay Singh, Balbir Singh, Seechewal and Andy Gupta remain with the AAP in the upper house. The young party, which lost control of Delhi just a year ago, appeared shaken by the massive mutiny, especially that of Pathak, who spent years with Kejriwal and was the party's general secretary, and Mittal, whom the party had elevated as its deputy leader in the Rajya Sabha just this month, and who was raided by the Enforcement Directorate soon after. The BJP has once again given Punjabis a shave, Kejriwal posted on X. Sanjay Singh, the party's leader in the Rajya Sabha, said he will move to disqualify Chaddha, Pathak and Mittal. I will submit a letter to the Honorable Rajya Sabha Chairman in which a demand will be made to declare Raghav Chaddha, Ashoka Mittal and Sandeep Pathak disqualified from Rajya Sabha membership for joining the Bharatiya Janata Party, as this is tantamount to voluntarily relinquish membership of their original party under the 10th schedule of the constitution, he posted on X. But if all 7 leaders really have quit the app, they might be safe since two-thirds of the members are resigning, including the deputy leader in the upper house, Ashoka Mittal. The members are not liable for disqualification under the anti-defection law, which stipulates that two-thirds of the elected members of the party must agree to merge with another said people aware of the details. As per the law, the chairman of the House, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, will have to determine whether the merger is in accordance with the anti-defection law. In the Rajya Sabha, the BJP currently has 106 members and the National Democratic Alliance effectively 141, including 5 nominated members. This might now go up to 113 and 148 respectively, very close to a two-third majority in the upper house. After their bombshell press conference, Chadda, Pathak and Mittal, in whose residence Kejriwal stayed, met BJP chief Nitin Nabin and joined the party, welcomed Raghav Chadha ji, Sandeep Pathak ji and Ashok Mittal ji to the BJP family at the party headquarters today. Also, best wishes to Harbhajan Singh ji, Swati Maliwal ji, Vikram Sahani ji and Rajinder Gupta ji to work under the dynamic leadership of PM Narendra Modi towards the goal of Viksit Bharat 2047. Nabin said on X. The BJP posted on X that Nabin also congratulated Sri Harbhajan Singh, Swati Maliwal, Rajinder Gupta and Sri Vikram Sahani for joining the BJP. The AAP also said in a statement that 7 lawmakers had left the party. Chadha's press conference took political circles in Delhi by surprise through AAP leaders later said they were anticipating the BJP to poach lawmakers, AAP that I nurtured with my blood and sweat and to which I gave 15 years of my youth, has completely strayed from its principles, values and core morals, said Chadha, whose ties with the party started deteriorating about 2 years ago. Over the past few years, I have increasingly felt that I am the right person in the wrong away from AAP and work more closely with the Janta. He added, another Rajya Sabha MP, Sandeep Pathak, said that he never bought this situation would arise, but it did. For 10 years, I remained associated with the party and today I am parting ways with the AAP, Pathak said. Mittal said he did not want to speak much on the issue. Switching to BJP has nothing to do with recent ED raids on my business entities, he said. I believe with BJP full support, I will be better positioned to serve Punjab and Punjabis more effectively, Sahani said on X. Maliwal, whose public fallout with Kejriwal and 2024 came after an alleged assault by Vibhav Kumar, alleged that the party under Kejriwal had strayed from its founding principles. With great sorrow, today I must say that the principal values and resolve for honest politics with which we began this journey have been abandoned by Arvind Kejriwal ji, and this behest the entire Aam Aadmi Party. She added the rebellion which claim not just industrialist and educationist nominated by the AAP but also senior leaders and former aides of Kejriwal can hurt the AAP in Punjab, which is scheduled to go to the polls in early 2027. If the party loses the election, it will be the first time since 2015 that the AAP is not in control of any province. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann accused the BJP of conspiring to weaken him. BJP and these MP have betrayed Punjab, and Punjab will certainly give them a befitting reply. With no base in Punjab, BJP is resorting to manipulation and intimidation to buy leaders. Leaders who joined BJP earlier have been sidelined, and the same fate awaits these traitors from Punjab, he said. Punjab Congress Chief Amrinder Singh Raja Waring said that the split was natural in a party with no ideology. AAP should remain aware as their 50 MLAs might join the BJP. Only MPs have left the party now. The party has no ideology. These MPs have no relevance in Punjab, Waring told reporters. Stop.